Hello all, in this video I'm just going to quickly show you how to access the hard drive and the RAM of the black MacBook that you see here. This is, I believe it's an early 2008 model, 250 gig, 2.4 gigahertz Intel Core Duo. So, what you're going to need for this is a coin of any coin, and you're going to want to slot it just in here, just so we can unlock the battery. So we slot it in, twist to the right, the battery will now pop out. There you go. You can leave that to one side. Now the next thing you're going to need is a really small Phillips head screwdriver. So, just going to zoom in to show you this bit. Now, you should see 3 screws here. All you have to do is unscrew each of those. There'll be this L-shaped panel which you pull out. I'll just do that quickly for you now. So there you go. Now this L panel should just lift right out. Make sure that you don't lose any of these screws because they're extremely important. So there you go. Just lay that to one side. Now, in here you may notice 2 little flappy things. Now this is what you're going to use to remove the RAM. So all you have to do is pull it all the way and the RAM just slides right out. There you go, there's your RAM. Now make sure you don't touch any of these gold bits as they're important, and if you damage those it may not be able to read this RAM. So this is a 2 GB RAM. Actually no, this is 1 GB, but in total it's 2. So yeah, all you have to do is that, and they should come out. If it doesn't fly out, just pull it out like so, and there's your RAM. So make sure you don't damage those, make sure they're all the way in. If you're going to be replacing them, all you have to do is just slot them back in, as you'd expect. Sometimes you have to push quite hard, much harder than you expect. And same here. Okay. That'll do for now. The next stage I was going to show you is how to remove the hard drive. So you'll see the hard drive is located just in there. Sorry about this screw. Move that to the side. We zoom. There we go. Here's the hard drive. If you want to access the hard drive, you just pull out this little white slip, if you can. If it's the first time, which it is my first time to remove the hard drive, it can be a bit tricky. So then you simply pull, might be a bit stiff. There you go, there's your hard drive. This is my 250 GB hard drive. Now make sure you hold it by the sides only. Do not apply any pressure to the centre of the hard drive. Do not shake the hard drive or, damage it in any way, because this is where all your vital information is kept. So there you go. If you want to install more memory, you can unscrew, I believe, I'm not sure if this is screw, I don't know. This is pretty cool actually, I've never seen a hard drive like this before, but you have to take off this thing before you put a new hard drive in. Screw it in, might be these, I don't know. But anyway, there's your hard drive. So to put it back in, as you'd expect, you just slot it in exactly the same way. It should go right in. There you go. So that was how to remove the RAM and hard drive from your MacBook. So now I'll show you how to put it back in. Obviously I've already shown you that. With this, once you've made sure your RAM and your hard drive is safely put in, you can take your L-shaped metal thingy and put this part, the shortest end, in first, and just slowly push it in like that. Might be a bit tricky, it's a bit stiff, but then it's meant to be like that. It's got to be secure. So if I just do this, and there we go. That's the L-shape bracket in. Let me just put this screw back in. Sorry, that shouldn't happen to you. I just have a random loose screw there. And to put the battery in, just find the end with the contacts and meet it at the appropriate end, and push it in, and then hold it down. Put the coin back in and twist it to lock it, and it should stay in there. If when you take it up like this and it falls out, you've obviously not done it right. Now the way to test it, obviously, is to turn the computer on. So if I do that right now, okay, just sign in. Okay, so once it's all loaded up, to check to see if your hard drive is working, go to the Macintosh HD. One thing you could do is you could check to see if all your files are there. So you could see in your applications if they're all there. It's obviously registered. Another way to check is to go to the activity monitor and what is it? Disk usage. Should be able to see here as well. If it's registered a disk, it will come up. And now to check the RAM, one way you could do it is go to Apple, About This Mac, More Info, and then Memory. Should have registered both of them. If both don't come up with something, then it's not registered both of them. So you need to make sure that both of them are registered. Another way you can check it is also in the activity monitor. Go to System Memory. It will show you how much is free, active, inactive, etc. That's all there. So cool. Thanks for watching the video. Hope it helps you. If you require any help, want to ask any questions, feel free to comment below. And if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like the video. Thanks for watching.